Hello, gorgeous. I am super stoked. I accidentally got two base boxes this month because I forgot to shut my extra base box off that I get during Luxe months, so I don't miss out on like the really good stuff. And I've done that the last few months, so I've had two base box. So today, two BoxyCharm base box is what I'm going to unbox for you. Ta-da! So exciting. So if you want to see what I got in my two, count them, two base box, then please stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm happy to be back filming again. I always get like really super busy and I take a hiatus for like 2 or 3 weeks and I don't film anything, and then I have like lots of stuff to film, which is like a little annoying, but you know, whatever. So today I have two BoxyCharm base boxes because on Luxe months I sign up to get a base box, so I get all 3 boxes for that month. And the last few months I've forgotten to like stop the base boxes, so I've gotten 2 of them the last couple of months. So we're just going to compare them. I mean, we're going to see, you know, if I get the same stuff, if I get different variations or whatever, you know, we'll see how Boxy does their base boxes. So let's start with this one here. And the theme for May is BoxyCharm Flourish. Look at that, how cute. And then this tells us what we have in our box. So right away I'm seeing some really good stuff in here, you guys. Let's go with this because yes, I love Murad products. This is their environmental shield. I haven't used this one, but I've used a lot of their other products that have the orange label. I really like them. Let's open it up. And how much is this? Oh, this is my first item anyways. $74. Oh my God. I know Murad's expensive. It's one of those expensive brands. This bottle is like super cute. Look at it. I am digging this bottle. It's really cute. Wait. Oh. Oh, it's one of those ones where you push it and the product pops up the top, I think. Or am I doing it wrong? Oh, yep, there it goes. See, it came out the top. You can't really see too well over there. Smells kind of orangey, like vitamin C. Rubs in clear. Yeah, it has like a citrusy cement. Yeah, cement. It's like midnight. It's 11:30 here, you guys, and I'm filming and I have to be up and be at work in the morning. Yeah, I don't know. It's not really citrusy though. What does that smell like? I don't know. It's not bad, but it's not like anything that I've really smelt before in skincare, you know? I don't know, that's weird, but I'm excited to have it. So this is an overnight moisturizer, $74. Let's move on. So the next item here I have Cab Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, I got an eyeshadow palette. All right. I've never heard of Cab Cosmetics. I hope I'm saying that right. Day and night eyeshadow palette. So they're claiming to be able to go from day to night with this eyeshadow palette. I just pulled my nose ring out. Oh my God, you guys. I'm a hot mess today. Oh, okay. All right, so we've got a cute eyeshadow palette here. It kind of reminds me of the what is it? Iconic London Sunrise to Sunset palette. That's kind of what it reminds me of. It gives me those kind of vibes. Pretty colors. I like these purples here. There's a dark purple here. It's called Midnight. That's pretty. So you've got some shimmers, you've got some mattes. Cool. I don't know. I guess I'll have to give it a try and let you guys know what I think. So this retails for, oh, okay. I broke a shadow too. $52. Oh, I mean, I've never heard of the brand. But I don't know if this is worth $52. What do you guys think? I mean, I guess I would have to wait and see how it performs. Let's see if we can get a couple of swatches here. Ooh, okay, so they're super soft. I love the way it feels. And you know, I did this. I just got a new tattoo here, and like, I can't swatch anything anymore. Let's see if we can. Okay, that goes on pretty well. The shimmer, it's really light though, very light. Let's try a darker matte color. Let's try this one here. And we'll put it right next to it and see how it goes. Okay. Okay, look at that, you guys. That's decent. There's no, like, splotchy. It came off really well. And the color, you know, I just did one full swipe and it went all the way down to here. So that's pretty good. Okay, I'm excited about this. I mean, we'll see. We'll see how it performs, you know, later on and stuff like that. I'll let you guys know. Maybe it is worth $52. I don't know. And then next up we have Skin Ink My Daily Dose of Uplift. Okay. I think I have something from them. I do. I've got My Daily Dose of Glow, Illuminate, and Brighten. This is the one I had. Okay. So this retails for $65. This box is going to be outrageous. Holy cow. It is going to be insane. That's crazy, you guys. All right. So this is supposed to be a skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen. Coenzyme Q10 and hyaluronic acid delivers an anti-aging power punch, giving you smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. Can't we all use that? I know I can. So cool. I haven't even tried the other one that I got, and I just got that one. I think I bought it like during the last pop-up, so in April pop-ups, and I haven't tried it yet. So now I've got another one to try. That's pretty cool. And for $65, holy cow. Okay. Next up, we have Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer. Okay, for $28. $28 for a bronzer. You guys, I love Ciate London, though. Their products are so amazing. They're few of the powder products that I can actually use on my dry skin. They don't want me in this thing. That actually work well for me and don't make me look scaly and like a lizard. So anytime I get Ciate London, I get super excited. Bamboo bronzer. Is that like infused with botanical ingredients, including bamboo powder for a shine-free, sun-kissed finish? The super lightweight powder can be swept across cheekbones for a subtle glow or built up to contour and chisel your features. $28, huh? So I got mine in the shade Palm Island. Let's look at her. Ooh, that's pretty dark. Oh, it doesn't look as dark on camera, you guys, but like in here, like without the lighting, it's pretty dark. But I love, look at this, how it's got stars cut out in it. Can you see that? Can you see the stars? That is pretty cool. I like that feature. Ooh, it is so velvety. Okay, it's not too dark. Like, I put it right here. So yeah, it could be like a sun-kissed. Okay, I'll give her a try. I love Ciate London. And then the last thing I have in here is, I am screaming, you guys. Why would you put this in my box, BoxyCharm? Oh my gosh. A whole ass item they're counting as. It's the Bella Pierre Cosmetics, which I complained about when I got her AIA box mini kabuki brush as one item worth $20. Look at this thing, you guys. It is absolutely tiny. It is so freaking tiny. Like, I'm not even playing with you. $20 for this brush. You are out of your mind. I am not paying $20 for this brush. And I'm mad that I got it in my BoxyCharm as an item. Like, it should go with something. It shouldn't be an item by itself. Ugh, whatever. Anyway, so that was my first box. Let's put this stuff back in here and open the next box and see how we compare. Now, I think this was my original box that I always get month to month because I picked the Murad. I remember picking that. So let's see what we have in here. We've got the Flourish. We've got our list. Okay, I can already see something that I already have. Oh my gosh, I got 2 of them. I got 2 of them, you guys. So a repeat item, I got the Murad Environmental Shield Overnight Detox Moisturizer. I'm going to put this one in a giveaway. You guys, this stuff is so good. I'm going to put that in the future giveaway. So I got that, but I already have this palette. So I got the Violet Voss All of You Forever, and you guys have seen this everywhere. All of You Forever by Violet Voss. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to put this in a giveaway too. So I'll put that to the side, and that's $34. The next thing I have in here is First Aid Beauty, which is a good brand. Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. That's a mouthful. So this is what it looks like here. Cute packaging. I'm loving the pink and the gray and the blue. And then this is what it looks like on the outside. So it's a base, a primer. Wow, let's see if it smells like coconut. Let's put it back here a little bit so I don't get the smell of, oh hey, you know what? It's probably got one of those tabs on it, doesn't it? Oh, the bane of my existence. See if I can get this off without, oh, thank you. It came right off. Okay, so we're going to put this up here a little bit, just a white cream. And we're going to see if it smells. I'm going to use a different finger too. I'm going to see if it smells like coconut because I love the smell of coconuts. Okay. It smells kind of Bahama-y. Bahama-y, that's my new word. Like, kind of like suntan lotion. Like the tropical smelling suntan lotion. That's what it smells like. Okay, well, cool. We'll give it a try. So this is worth $30. That's crazy. Oh, I got another Ciate London. I got one of the Ciate London Shadow Flips. Okay. Do I have a color or the why don't I show you the packaging? It's like super cute, you guys. Look at that holographic packaging. Ooh, okay. All right, so we've got, so it's pink, green, gold kind of reflect. I don't know if I can see that, how it switches. Let's get a swatch of this. Doesn't smell like anything great. Let's see, I'm just going to do it on the palm of my hand here. So you can see the pink. Now let me see how it shifts. Now it's like a brown and a gold and a green. That is super cool, you guys. There's the flip. So depending on how the light hits it, it can be pink or like a greenish, like an army green, like a green brown. Okay, I'll give it a whirl. And this is $20. That's kind of a lot for just a little bitty tube of, and it's not all the way full like you can see over here. It's, well, no, you can't. Yeah, you can a little bit. It's not all the way full. Okay, my last item in this box, I've already got this item too. is the Manicadar Beauty Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set. And I got this in my Manicadar box from AIA, I believe. So I'll probably be putting this in a giveaway as well. I'm not going to open it. And, you know, they're just tweezers. $18 for 2 pairs of tweezers. I mean, I'm just not that dedicated. I will go buy tweezers at the dollar store for $2. I don't know. Whatever. So those are my 2 boxes. I only have 1 repeat item, you know, as far as like this month goes. That's pretty decent. And I probably picked it twice, if we're being honest. I probably picked it twice. Knowing me, because I love the Murad stuff. That's it, guys. Those are my 2 May, even though I'm putting this out in June, my 2 May base boxes. So tell me what you guys think. Did you like what I got? Did you guys get the same thing? Let me know down below. And if you like my content, it would mean the absolute world to me if you clicked that follow button and hit that notification bell. That way you can get reminded whenever I upload any videos. As always, I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day. And remember, keep sparkling.